Ever wondered about the hidden secrets lurking in your backyard? You might be surprised. Welcome to a world where the wonders of natural healing are at the forefront. Today, we're venturing into an unexpected treasure trove, your very own backyard. In there, weeds that many consider nuisances are actually ancient remedies. So let's explore the surprising medicinal benefits of common weeds like dandelions, plantains, and nettles. These aren't just ordinary plants, they're potent medicinal herbs that have been supporting health and wellness long before pharmacies came into existence. Today we embark on a journey to rediscover the healing secrets of these common backyard weeds. We're sure you'll be amazed by the treasures you've been overlooking. Let's dig into their surprising medicinal benefits. As hinted earlier, weeds have been valued in various cultures for their health-promoting properties. It's a fascinating thought that these plants, often seen as nothing more than pests in our manicured gardens and lawns, have been celebrated for their curative qualities throughout human history. Our ancestors were well aware of the healing properties these seemingly humble plants held and utilized them as integral components of their health and wellness routines. In this session, we will unravel the mysteries of 3 garden variety weeds: the dandelion, the plantain, and the nettle. Each of these plants is a treasure trove of medicinal properties, used extensively over centuries to address a myriad of health issues. The dandelion, recognized easily by its bright yellow flowers, is more than a simple emblem of childlike wonder. The plantain, not to be mistaken for the tropical fruit, is an unassuming plant packed with healing potential. The nettle may appear threatening with its spiky exterior, but it's actually brimming with health benefits, far from being ordinary weeds. These are powerful medicinal plants that have been bolstering human health well before drugstores came into being. Dandelions. These radiant plants go beyond just being wishmakers. They are a vibrant embodiment of the adage, "Don't judge a book by its cover," and nutritional powerhouses packed with a host of vitamins and minerals vital for our body. To comprehend dandelions thoroughly, we begin with appreciating their nutritional significance. These bright and lively plants abound in vitamins A, C, and K and have impressive amounts of calcium, potassium, iron, and manganese. These nutrients combined pave the way for a more robust immune system, healthier skin, and improved eye health. Yet the magic of dandelions extends beyond just their nutrient content. Historically, their medicinal properties have been treasured. They have served as a liver tonic, purifying the liver and enhancing its toxin-filtering ability. Besides, they have used to facilitate digestion. Consumption of dandelion leaves in salads or teas can promote appetite, alleviate digestive disorders, and act as a gentle laxative. The plant's bitter compounds stimulate the digestive system, promoting the production of digestive enzymes and bile. The dandelion's adaptability is yet another trait that distinguishes it. Every part of this plant has a use: the root, leaves, and flowers. While the leaves find their into salads, the roots can substitute for coffee, and the flowers are incorporated in wines, jellies, and skincare products. One intriguing aspect of dandelions is their function as a natural diuretic, assisting the body in flushing out excess fluids. This can be significantly helpful for conditions like high blood pressure and liver disease. So when you see a dandelion next time, keep in mind that it's not just an ordinary weed, but a treasure trove of health benefits. Now, moving on from dandelions, let's look at plantains. Once again, we're not discussing the fruit here. Rather, we're focusing on the leafy greens that flourish in cozy rosettes right within your lawn. These unassuming plants, frequently dismissed as simple weeds, boast a plethora of healing properties. For centuries, diverse cultures worldwide have been harnessing their benefits. Laden with calcium and vitamins A and C, plantains are a powerhouse of well-being. However, their true virtue lies in their healing properties. Their leaves harbor allantoin, a compound renowned for fostering wound healing, stimulating skin cell growth, and acting as an anti-inflammatory agent. Ever incurred a cut during gardening or a bug bite while relishing a summer evening in your backyard? Plantain leaves are your go-to natural remedy. Pluck a couple of leaves, squish them to release the juices, and rub the crushed leaf directly onto the wound or bite. The plant's inherent astringent properties will staunch bleeding, Its anti-inflammatory compounds will assuage the area, and its antimicrobial effects will ward off infection. Traditionally, plantain leaves have been employed to alleviate an array of skin conditions, from trivial burns and blisters to persistent conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The leaves' calming properties pacify the skin, diminishing redness and itchiness, while their healing compounds foster skin regeneration. But plantains aren't merely for external use. Consumed internally, they can bolster respiratory health and alleviate digestive disorders. A hot of plantain leaves can soothe a sore throat or a cough, while a poultice of the leaves can mitigate digestive discomfort. Within the realm of natural remedies, plantains are a multifaceted tool. Their healing properties are so varied and potent that they've secured a place in every herbalist's medicine cabinet. And the most remarkable part, they're probably sprouting in your backyard at this moment, poised to lend a hand or a leaf in times of need. Indeed, plantains can be likened to a first aid kit sprouting right beneath your feet. Last but not least, let's talk about nettles. Often shunned because of their stinging nature, these prickly plants, when prepared with care, bring an array of health benefits. You can recognize nettles, also known as stinging nettles, by their distinguishable heart-shaped leaves and minuscule hairs that cause a sharp sting upon contact. However, don't be discouraged by this, as the sting encapsulates a plethora of health advantages. A highly praised benefit of nettles is their efficacy in providing relief from allergies. As a natural antihistamine, nettles have been a staple in traditional medicine for ages, helping control the release of histamines, the culprits behind allergy symptoms, like sneezing, itching, and a runny nose. So when allergy season strikes, keep nettle tea in mind. Additionally, nettles hold immense power in combating inflammation. Indeed, inflammation, although a natural response to injury or infection, can trigger chronic diseases when not controlled. Luckily, nettles' potent anti-inflammatory properties can help manage inflammation, enhancing overall health and well-being, and more to them. Nettles are an exceptional provider of iron, an essential nutrient pivotal to the creation of red blood cells. Deficiency in iron can cause fatigue, weakness, and even anemia. By inviting nettles into your diet, you can get a robust dose of this indispensable mineral. There's an abundance of methods to benefit from nettles. Make a tea, cook a soup, or even use them as supplements. Always remember to wear gloves when dealing with raw nettles to evade the sting. The stinging hairs are deactivated once the nettles are cooked or dried. So even though nettles sting, they serve to fortify your body from within. Now let's wrap things up. We've only scratched the surface of what nature has to offer right in our backyards. This verdant world on our threshold is filled to the brim with therapeutic possibilities, and we've only begun our exploration. The dandelions, plantains, and nettles we've spotlighted today are merely a starting point. There's an abundance of other beneficial plants out there, just waiting to be uncovered. What are you waiting for? Step into your backyard and experiment with making the calming herbal tea or the skin healing salve we've introduced. This hands-on approach will let you witness the curative wonders of nature. Do share your journey with these remedies in the comments. We're eager to listen to your stories and learn about the impact these plants have had on your lives. Thanks for your time, and we'll catch you in the next video.